Hello, everybody that are awesome. I'm 10 Cents and I'm from Big City Port. I always work at Big City Port and even the Iron Soda KTJ Railway in Lance Harbor and all harbors. I worked at Big City Port Harbor and I also work at Nafford Harbor, Brenham Docks, and Adamward Harbor and Lanneth Harbor and the Smutcher Station Harbor and the Wharf and the Bobsville Harbor and I always bring barges full of cargo, boats, ballast, gravel, and even some crates and all kinds of cargo. Yeah, me and Sunshine always work together. Captain Star also had me and the others visit Brenham Docks when we missed Big Mickey. We also visit Nafford Harbor and the harbor near Baron Furness, near the mainland. And we also visit Lance Harbor and Adamward Harbor and all harbors. And it was really awesome that Captain Star let us visit harbors from Big City Port from all railways and all locations. And it was great to visit Brenham Docks from Big City Port. And we think the Island Soda is really awesome along with the KTJ Railway and Bobsville and all railways. And I think it's really awesome. Oh, sorry, I gotta go. Got some cargo to collect. I'll see you guys later. Bye!